Tired of downloading, editing, and re-uploading documents just to get them signed? Docusign lets you make those crucial tweaks directly within the platform, saving you tons of time. So let's dive into how you can edit a document right inside Docusign. First, click on New and select Send an Envelope. This is where you'll start the process of sending a document for signature. Next, upload the document you want to edit. You can drag and drop it or click Upload to browse your files. Okay, now before adding any recipients, look for the Edit Document option. It usually appears as a pencil icon or a text link near the document preview. If you don't see it right away, make sure your document is properly uploaded. Click Edit Document. This will open your document in Docusign's editing mode. Here, you can add text, correct mistakes, insert fields for signatures, dates, initials, and much more. Use the toolbar on the side to drag and drop the elements you need onto your document. You can resize and reposition these elements as needed. Once you've made all your changes, click Save. This saves the edited version of your document within Docusign. Now you can add your recipients, specify the signing order, and finally, click Next to proceed with sending your document. You've successfully edited a document right inside Docusign. This streamlined approach will boost your productivity by keeping the whole process contained within Docusign.